99% of candidates fail their interview because of this one boring word.
Wait, what word? I thought being hardworking was a good thing.
It's a cliché. It tells the recruiter nothing about your actual value.
Oh no. I've said that in every single interview so far.
Don't worry. Today, you'll learn the high-impact phrases that native speakers use to stand out and get hired immediately.
I'm ready. What's the first mistake we need to fix?
It starts with the very first question: tell me about yourself.
I usually just list my hobbies and where I went to school. Is that wrong?
Yes. They don't care about your cat. Use the past, present, future formula instead.
Past, present, future? How does that sound in a real conversation?
Try this: in my previous role, I mastered X, currently, I'm doing Y, and I'm looking to bring those skills to your company.
That sounds way more professional than I like swimming.
Exactly. Now, let's get more advanced. How do you answer? What is your greatest weakness?
I always say I'm a perfectionist. That's a classic, right?
Recruiters hate that. It sounds fake and dishonest.
But I don't want to tell them I'm bad at something. I'll lose the job.
The secret is to show a growth mindset. Pick a real skill you're currently improving.
So, like, I used to struggle with public speaking, but I've been taking a course to improve.
Perfect. You're showing them that you're self-aware and proactive.
I see. It's about the solution, not just the problem.
Spot on. Now for the most valuable tip, the value solution bridge.
That sounds fancy. When do I use it?
When they ask, why should we hire you? Most people say, because I need a job.
Guilty. What should I say instead?
Bridge your skills to their problems. Say, I noticed your team is expanding into X, and my experience in Y can help you achieve Z.
Whoa, that makes me sound like a partner, not just an applicant.
That's the goal. Now, let's put it all together in a real-life roleplay.
Okay. I'll be the candidate, and you be the tough interviewer.
Challenge accepted. Let's head to the office. Welcome. To start, tell me about yourself.
Sure. For the past 3 years, I've worked in digital marketing where I increased traffic by 40%. Currently, I'm specializing in SEO, and I'm eager to bring my data-driven approach to your creative team.
Impressive. And what would you say is your biggest weakness?
In the past, I found it hard to delegate tasks because I wanted everything perfect. However, I've started using project management tools to trust my team more, and it's significantly improved our efficiency.
Great answer. Final question: why should we hire you over others?
I've researched your recent product launch and noticed a gap in social engagement. With my background in community building, I can bridge that gap and increase your brand loyalty immediately.
And, scene. You nailed it. How did that feel?
I felt so much more confident. Using those specific structures makes a huge difference.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer this question in the comments. What is your greatest strength?
Remember, don't just use one boring word. Use a power phrase like I excel at. Or I have a proven track record of.
Let's do a quick recap. Point 1. Use past, present, future for your intro.
Point 2. Show your growth mindset when talking about weaknesses.
And point 3. Use the value solution bridge to show why they need you.
I'm going to go rewrite my interview notes right now.
Smart move. If you found this helpful, hit that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe for daily English tips that will change your life.
See you in the next lesson. You've got this.